Welcome to another stunning kitchen transformation by Zion Home Remodeling. In this remarkable remodeling journey, we have turned an outdated kitchen into a modern culinary heaven. Before we dive into the jaw-dropping results, let's take a quick look at where it all began. The original kitchen was showing its age, with outdated cabinets and a less than inspiring design. But wait until you see the stunning changes we have made. Let's start with the upper cabinets. We have replaced the old ones with beautiful frameless, full overlapped white cabinets. These cabinets offer a soft closing, a clean, seamless look that brightens the entire space. The striking brushed nickel long cabinet hardware perfectly complements them, adding a beautiful touch to the kitchen. We decided to keep the gorgeous granite countertop, harmonizing with the update design. Above the countertop, a new backsplash adds a touch of sophistication and brings fresh life into this kitchen. Lastly, the lower cabinets have also been transformed to complete this kitchen makeover. From old and outdated to a functional and stylish kitchen, this remodeling truly showcases the power of transformation. Stay tuned for more incredible projects. Remember to like and subscribe, and let us know what you think of this kitchen remodel in the comments. Thanks for watching!